Hello everyone. Today's question is about Arctic amplification. I'll give you some time. Try to mark the correct answer. So now let's discuss what the question is actually about. So question is saying, with reference to Arctic amplification, consider the following statement. Okay. So first, what is Arctic amplification? Arctic amplification is by the term amplification, it means it is warming at certain faster rate. Amplify means certain things happening at a faster rate. So let's look into the statement here. First statement is saying it refers to the phenomena where the Arctic region is warming at a faster rate than the rest of the world. Yes, this statement is true. Why? Because actually this is the definition of Arctic amplification, means Arctic region is warming at a faster rate than the rest of the world. So yes, this statement becomes correct. Coming on to our second statement. Second statement says Arctic amplification is enhanced by ice albedo feedback process. So what is ice albedo feedback process? Ice albedo feedback process means if there is snow, means more radiation would be reflected back. But when Arctic amplification is happening, definitely darker region would be coming to the exposure and it will absorb the radiation. That means if something is absorbing radiation, it will also helps to warm the region. Okay, so it will definitely enhance the Arctic amplification. So thus this statement also becomes correct because it is ice albedo feedback process is enhancing the Arctic amplification. Coming on to our third portion, it helps to strengthen the Arctic polar vortex. For this, we need to have a little bit understanding about Arctic polar vortex. So Arctic polar vortex is swirling of lower stratosphere cloud with respect to anti-clockwise direction. So with respect to Arctic amplification, it actually instead of strengthen, it gets weakened. Why? Because of the climate anomalies that is created due to the melting of ice in the Arctic region, and this Arctic polar vortex shifts toward mid latitude and other latitude in the region. So this statement becomes incorrect. So our answer becomes only 2. So those of you who have marked the statement B, congratulations to you. For many further video, follow BT 2 Minute of Next Eyes. Thank you.